In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Sparkle icons for writing help, page generation, and data cleanup in your dashboard. To get started, open a secure Chrome browser session and access your primary user dashboard screen. This is the main workspace where your core tools and day-to-day features are available, so it's a good idea to begin here before trying any of the AI-assisted options. Make sure the dashboard is fully loaded so you can clearly see the navigation and the different areas you'll be working in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look carefully for the Sparkle icon symbols. These Sparkle icons are placed across several tools, including the email area, the blog tools, and the contact management section. They're meant to signal that extra assistance is available in that part of the platform. If you don't spot them immediately, take a moment to scan the screen slowly, since they may appear next to fields, action buttons, or content tools depending on the section you're in. Whenever you need help writing text or analyzing raw data records, click the Sparkle icons. In the email and blog tools, this can help you move faster when drafting content, refining wording, or getting a clearer starting point. In the contact-related areas, the same icon can support analysis of records, which is especially useful when you're working through large amounts of information and want the system to assist with identifying patterns or improving organization. When you're building web pages, use short text prompts to guide the system in generating draft layouts. Keep your prompts simple and direct so the tool can understand the kind of page you want to create. Short prompts usually work best when they describe the goal clearly without adding unnecessary detail. The system will then generate a draft layout, giving you a strong starting point that you can review and shape further within the platform. Finally, when the platform provides automated cleanup recommendations, go ahead and accept those suggestions to quickly merge duplicate client cards. This is a helpful way to reduce clutter, keep your contact data cleaner, and avoid confusion caused by repeated entries. Before confirming, just take a brief look so you understand what's being combined, then let the system complete the cleanup. That's the full process. Start in your secure Chrome dashboard, find the Sparkle icons, use them for writing and analysis. Enter short prompts for page drafts and accept cleanup recommendations to merge duplicates more efficiently.